From concept to reality, here it is. 4 years of secrecy, 4 years of determination from my crew, 4 years of hard work, and you're allowed to see it finally. Check it out. Hope you love it. Well, so it's a 68 Mercury Cougar, and we nicknamed it Predator for good reason. It's got a 770 horsepower Boss 9 in it. It has the most amazing one-off interior. The owner, Kevin Mindel, did an absolutely amazing job. Check this out. So Kevin is part owners in a wicked stereo shop in the Lower Mainland called Certified Auto Sound. They did all the machining, all the figuring out. It's killer stuff. Check it out. Cougar tail, right? Except all these tail lights are custom on-off. Custom fuel filler. Bumpers custom. Down. Bad cat. Check it out. We're gonna go right underneath. We're gonna walk right down it. That's what we talk about when we say show car. All right, another minute because we're trying to do this quick. Whole tail of the car, hand built by Gary Orston. This deck lid, the quarter panels, the quarter extensions. These quarter panels are hand built to make it a Cougar, but also to make it wider. This reveal right here, this hump in the quarter panel, was specifically to handle this huge tire. The front's got the same kind of treatment. Check out the custom hood. How about that? That was specifically for this wicked air intake. Front end's just as custom. All the way down. Kevin's buddy Rich actually did CNC'd all of this from scratch so we could have a floating Mercury man right in the middle. Never mind all the JF Customs touches everywhere. So we're just going to roll a bit of video so you can see it. We're trying to get this out there. Little 5 minutes of eye candy, car candy, and then we'll build you some really cool videos that show the depth and the details of how we build these cars. Stay tuned, share it with your friends, enjoy it, and thanks again for being subscribers because you're getting it first. And actually, while we're here and while we're at it, we're going to give you the world exclusive video of my buddy Dave Kindig unloading his car out of the trailer. You're going to enjoy that too. Check it out.